How to download Lorex app on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Lorex. First of all, open a Play Store application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now, on the top, here at the search bar, search for Lorex. Tap on Lorex. So, it will pop up in the first. Tap on it again. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by using this logo, and you can also verify it by using this company's name, Lorex Technology Inc. So here on the bottom you can see this install button. Tap on this install button. So it will take some time. So what is Lorex application? It is an application that is used for camera security. You can virtually access through the camera using Lorex application. So it has been installed. Now you can easily open the app and easily use its feature. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.